Welcome. This video will show you how to open the glove box in your Tesla Model S or Model X. Unlike traditional cars, Teslas primarily use the touchscreen and voice commands to access the glove box, reflecting Tesla's minimalist design. We'll cover both methods step by step as of December 2025. The most common way to open your glove box is via the touchscreen. First, locate the glove box icon. It's usually found within the Controls menu under Vehicle or as a customizable shortcut on the main screen. Simply tap the icon once to unlock and slightly pop open the glove box. You can then manually pull it open fully. Tesla's touchscreen relies on capacitive touch technology, which senses finger contact through electrical changes in the screen's sensor layer. This allows for precise, responsive interactions that respond immediately to touch. To enhance visibility, Tesla incorporates anti-glare coatings on the touchscreen. These coatings reduce unwanted reflections from sunlight and other light sources, ensuring the interface remains clear and readable in bright conditions. For driver safety, Tesla's software includes protocols that prevent the glove box from opening when the vehicle is locked or actively in drive mode without authentication. This design helps minimize potential distractions and maintains focus on the road. Tesla's voice command feature offers a hands-free way to open the glove box. Activate the voice assistant by saying, "Hey Tesla," or pressing the steering wheel button. Then simply say, "Open the glove box," "Unlock the glove box," or "Glove box open." Powered by onboard AI for reliable hands-free operation. Tesla's voice command system is powered by onboard AI, allowing for quick processing of your request without relying on the cloud. This natural language processing system integrates seamlessly with Tesla's autopilot, enabling truly hands-free operation. Here's how the system architecture supports this technology. If the touchscreen becomes unresponsive, such as during a software update or occasional glitch, you can use the physical key fob as a backup to access the glove box. Press the unlock button on your Tesla key fob while near the vehicle. This acts as a backup to unlock and open the glove box electronically. User reports indicate occasional glitches like screen lag may occur after software updates. These are typically resolved quickly by Tesla support through remote diagnostics or patches. To ensure optimal performance and avoid issues, always keep your Tesla software up to date through the vehicle's settings or Tesla app. Tesla is moving towards greater voice and AI integration, making glovebox access even more seamless. Future updates may include biometric authentication, such as fingerprint recognition for secure access. Gesture controls could allow waving or other motions to open the glove box without touching screens. There is a possibility of the glove box auto-opening based on context, as Tesla aims to eliminate physical buttons in future models. Real-world examples demonstrate the reliability of Tesla's glove box access methods. In California, a Model S Plaid owner used voice commands when the touchscreen froze during a drive, and Tesla quickly resolved it with a software patch. In Europe, Model X fleets customized voice commands in local languages without any reported failures. Beta testers noted remote glovebox access via the app during software updates, useful for disabled vehicles. Statistics show 85% of EV owners find Tesla's controls highly intuitive compared to competitors. Glovebox support tickets dropped 40% after voice commands were added. Over 2 million Model S and Model X units worldwide use these methods, with 60% preferring voice over touch. Experts praise Tesla's intuitive UI, noting reduced costs and enhanced experience. UI experts call it a benchmark for EVs. While accessibility concerns exist for visually impaired users, Tesla is addressing them with upcoming audio cues.